Hello everyone. Now let's see how we will solve this type of question. The question is if 5 raised to x upon 1 plus 5 raised to x equals to 2 upon 5. So this equation is given to us and with the help of this we will find out this. Okay, so if this is given, then what will be the value of 125 raised to x upon 1 plus 125 raised to x? So this part we need to find out and this part is given to us. So let's see how we will do this type of question and how we will get the solution. So moving ahead with the solution part. So first of all, let us suppose that 5 raised to x is equal to a. So I am beginning with this part. Okay, so 5 raised to x, I am taking it as a. So a equals to let a equals to 5 raised to x. So this part I am taking 5 raised to x. And now I am substituting this value in this part, in this equation. So 5 raised to x upon 1 plus 5 raised to x will become a upon 1 plus a equals to 2 upon 5. Now we will cross multiply this. So this 5 will get multiplied here. So this will be 5a and this 1 plus a will be multiplied here with 2. So after multiplying we will get 2 plus 2a. Now this 2a I am transposing here. So I will get 5a minus 2a equals to 2 and that is equal to 3a equals to 2 and that is equal to a is equal to 2 upon 3. So we are getting the value of a. A is equal to 2 upon 3. Now we have got the value of a. A is equal to 2 upon 3. Now I am substituting back the value of a. What was our a? A was 5 raised to x. So in place of a, now if we keep 5 raised to x is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, so I'm keeping back the value of a. So 5 raised to x is equal to 2 upon 3. Now remember that we need to find out this part. For that we want 125 and 125 is cube of 5. So here in this what we need to do is we need to first cube both the sides. So now in this equation what we will do? We will do cubing both the sides. So both the sides we will do cube. So 5 raised to x whole cube and this side 2 upon 3 the whole cube. Now here this 5 raised to x the whole cube can be written as 5 raised to 3 and whole raised to x. We can change the place of this x and 3. So this is the rule of power and exponent. We can write it like this. And this side 2 cube will be 8 and 3 cube will be 27. So I'm getting 8 upon 27. So here 5 cube means 125 raised to x equals to 8 upon 27. So this I am getting. Now this is our first equation. Okay. So this is our first equation. So I have got the value of 125 raised to x. So this part I have got. Now we want this part, the denominator part. And that is 1 plus 125 raised to x. So for getting this part, now what we need to do is we need to add 1 both the sides. So now what we will do? Adding 1 both the sides. So now in this equation we will add 1 both the sides. So I will get 1 plus 125 raised to x and this side 1 plus 8 upon 27. So here this part remains same 1 plus 125 raised to x and here after taking LCM 27 ones are will be 27 and 27 plus 8 will give us 35. So this part we will get 35 upon 27. So I am getting 35 upon 27. Now this is our second equation, equation 2. Now we can find the value of this. So we just need to substitute both the values that we have got. So now this 125 raised to x upon 1 plus 125 raised to x equals to. Now 125 raised to x, if you check out here, the value is 8 upon 27 upon, Now 1 plus 125 raised to x. The value of this second equation we have already done. So that is 35 upon 27. 35 upon 27. Now the denominators are same, 27 and 27. So denominators will get cancelled off. So this denominators will get removed. So the final answer is 8 upon 35. So 8 upon 35, this will be our final answer. So this will be our final answer, 8 upon 35. So the value of this 125 raised to x upon 1 plus 125 raised to x will be 8 upon 35. So 8 upon 35 will be our final answer. I hope you understood.